we could wipe out anything we want. We have the most powerful in the world.
So that doesn't concern you at all if the Chinese military...
No, because they'd pay a price that they wouldn't want to pay.
There is a new study out of Australia that suggests with the current Chinese military posture in the South China Sea, Indo-Pacific region, it could wipe out most U.S. bases within a number of hours. Is that something that keeps you up at night?
Well, nothing keeps me up at night. I'll tell you, we could wipe out anything we want. We have the most powerful in the world, and when I came in 2.5 years ago, we were in a very bad position. Now we're in a very strong position. We got $700 billion, then $716 billion, and then $738 billion. We have the strongest military in the world right now, and we're getting very close to finishing that whole rebuilding. We've rebuilt the military. Right now, there's nobody that's even close to us militarily, not even close.
So that doesn't concern you at all if the Chinese military...
No, because they'd pay a price that they wouldn't want to pay.
What's your name? I don't think I know you.
I'm Chen Liu from China's Xinhua News Agency.
Okay.
And my question is just about the U.S. arms sale to Taiwan yesterday, the F-16s. Actually, Secretary Pompeo said on Monday in a Fox interview that the U.S. arms sales is inconsistency with the 3 communiques between the U.S. and China. But actually, one of the communiques issued in 1982 said clearly that the U.S. government states it does not seek to carry out a long-term policy of arms sales to Taiwan, and the arms sales to Taiwan will not exceed, in qualitative and quantitative terms, the level of those supplied in recent years since the establishment of the bilateral ties, and it intends gradually to reduce the sale of arms to Taiwan to a final resolution. So how could Secretary Pompeo's statement that it's inconsistency with the communiques, but it actually just violates the communiques?
We don't see it that way. 1982 was the year I was born. I don't think it was that long ago. So I think that we're still in keeping with the Taiwan Relations Act that we have here and the 3 joint communiques.
Trying to exercise. The Hong Kong thing is a very tough situation. Very tough. We'll see what happens, but I'm sure it'll work out. I hope it works out for everybody, including China, by the way. I hope it works out for everybody. Military troops apparently close to protesters. No, it's worries about a very tricky situation. I think it'll work out, and I hope it works out for liberty. I hope it works out for everybody, including China. I hope it works out peacefully. Hope nobody gets hurt. I hope nobody gets killed.